This is a presentation on the Adinkra Alphabet tree version. My name is Charles Crunchy. This is the cover page of my book, Adinkra Alphabet. The book introduces the Adinkra symbols of the alphabet and their hidden meanings. To get a deeper understanding of the Adinkra Alphabet system and also the meaning behind the symbols, I highly recommend you get a copy of the book. The book is available on our website, www.adinkraalphabet.com, and also on Amazon. This slide shows the Adinkra Alphabet vowels. There are 7 vowels and 15 consonants in the Adinkra Alphabet tree version. This is the complete Adinkra Alphabet tree version. The top characters are the Adinkra Alphabet. Below that is the Adinkra symbol from which the alphabet is derived, and following that is the corresponding alphabet. Again, this slide shows just the Adinkra Alphabet tree characters. On the subsequent slides, I'll be talking about the Adinkra Alphabet and the symbol, and also the corresponding character. And also there will be a brief or literal meaning of the Adinkra symbol. Adinkra Hene, chief of Adinkra symbol, is assigned to character A. Being Kebi, bite not one another, is assigned to character B. Dame Dame, name of Ghana's 10x10 checkerboard game, is assigned to alphabet D. A band of ferns is assigned to alphabet E. Training men, ram's horns, is assigned to alphabet R. Fanhudie, or freedom, is assigned to alphabet F. Jinyame, except God, is assigned to alphabet G. Hwemudia, or measuring stick, is assigned to alphabet H. NETEKREMA, teeth and tongue, is assigned to alphabet I. KINTINKANTAN, puffed up extravagance, assigned to alphabet K. DANE, time changes, assigned to alphabet L. MPATAPO, the knot of reconciliation, is assigned to alphabet M. Nchemu, or divider, is assigned to alphabet N. Yami Bibi Wasoro, God something is in the heavens, assigned to alphabet O. OSRAM ne NSOROMMA, the moon and the stars, assigned to alphabet O. PEMPAMSIE, soul to preserve, is assigned to alphabet P. ASASE DURU, the earth is heavy, is assigned to alphabet R. SANKOFA, go back and take, is assigned to alphabet S. Aya, or FERN, is assigned to alphabet T. Nia onim nusua ohu, he or she who does not know can know from learning, is assigned to alphabet U. Wawa Aba, seed of the wawa tree, is assigned to alphabet W. DUAFE, wooden comb, is assigned to alphabet Y. Again, this is the cover page of my book, Adinkra Alphabet, the Adinkra symbols of alphabet and their hidden meanings. This is the cover page of the writing books, my first Adinkra Alphabet writing book in Twi and also English. Please subscribe to my page for more videos like this. Please visit our website, www.adinkraalphabet.com, and also our Facebook page. And please hit the like button below if you like this presentation. Thank you.